What's up guys, thank you for watching JGTechBlog. It's your boy JG. We're at CES 2020 at the Samsung booth, and what's something that caught my attention was the Samsung S10 Lite. This phone is off the hook. Why? Because I think it's one of those mid-range phones that kind of gets you into the Samsung flow. So if you don't have that budget for like a Note 10 or something's really way more expensive, this can get you into that platform. This is going to be less than $500, so that's really cool. So this color, by the way, just looking at the color, this is Prism Black, and they have Prism White, and then they also have Prism Blue. Okay, that's a little bit about the colors that they have. So let me show you now the cameras that they have. They have 3 cameras in the back. Is a 48 megapixel super steady OIS, the 12 megapixel ultra wide, and they also have a 5 megapixel macro. In the front, they have a 32 megapixel. So looking at the amazing display, you have a 6.7 inch HD Super AMOLED Infinity O display. And as you can see here at the top, you don't have that notch. You have the camera just right there in the middle. So it really doesn't mess up the overall look of the phone. So it makes it look really nice. 6.7 FHD Super AMOLED Infinity O display. The battery is 4,500 milliamps, and it comes with a 25-watt super fast charging, so you can charge this phone really quickly. So you have a USB-C down at the bottom, you have the speaker. On the right-hand side, you have the volume rocker and the power button. You have the 32 megapixel in the front, and on the left-hand side, you have this SIM card slot. As you can see here, they have these 3 colors. They're gonna have 2 separate models. They have one that's a 6 gigabyte of RAM with 128 gigabytes. And they're gonna have one that's 8 gigabytes of RAM with 128 gigabytes. That was the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and the Note 10 Lite that they have is going about 610 euros overseas. So I'm thinking the S10 Lite is gonna be less than that. So that's why I'm thinking an average of about 500 or less. We don't know the actual time of release, and we don't know the actual price. So make sure to be subscribed and hit that notification button so you can be notified when that phone releases and we do the full review. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.